So I didn't plan to try Celebify AI. Anything with the word celeb in it usually feels a little gimmicky, but it kept popping up, and eventually I thought, alright, let's see what this thing actually does. Step 1. What Celebify AI is supposed to do. At its core, Celebify AI is pretty simple. You upload a photo or some content, choose a celebrity style look, and the AI recreates it. That's the promise. Fun, flashy, shareable. Sounds cool, but cool doesn't always mean useful. Step 2, first time using it. When I logged in, I didn't feel lost. Everything was straightforward. Upload here, choose style, generate. I like that, but I've also learned that simple tools can still disappoint once you hit generate. Step 3, the actual results. Here's where things get honest. Some outputs looked genuinely cool. Like, yeah, I could post this, cool. Other results, not great. Faces felt off, details didn't quite land. That's when it clicked for me. Celebify AI isn't consistent, it's more like rolling the dice. Step 4. What I enjoyed versus what annoyed me. What I enjoyed, easy to use, fun to play with, eye-catching when it works. What annoyed me? Results change a lot, not much control, you can't rely on it every time. If you expect perfection, this tool will test your patience. Step 5. Who this is really for. Celebify AI makes sense if you're experimenting. Social posts, fun visuals, creative ideas. If you're doing serious design work or client projects, this isn't the tool. It's more of a creative playground than a professional solution. Final thoughts. So, is Celebify AI worth using? If you treat it like a fun experiment, you'll probably enjoy it. If you treat it like a serious tool, you'll be disappointed. Lower expectations, use it for fun. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.